In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the hatch pattern in AutoCAD. One of the fundamental aspects of working with designs in AutoCAD is mastering the use of hatch patterns. These patterns play a crucial role in visually differentiating various regions of a drawing, thus enhancing both its functionality and aesthetic value. Knowing how to change hatch patterns effectively can save you time and give your projects a professional look. First, let's start by navigating to the hatch you want to modify. Using your cursor, simply click on the hatch area you're aiming to change. Once you do that, you'll notice a transformation in the interface as the Hatch Editor tab appears on the ribbon. This tab is your control center for adjusting hatches, offering a wide range of customization options specifically tailored for this purpose. In the Hatch Editor tab, direct your focus to the Pattern section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a drop-down button accompanying the Patterns section. Click on this button. As you click, a whole spectrum of hatch patterns will unfold before you. AutoCAD provides a diverse selection of patterns, ranging from simple, clean lines to complex geometric designs. It's a treasure trove of options that can add character and depth to your architectural plans, engineering blueprints, or any design you're crafting. As you find yourself scrolling through the available choices, take a moment to carefully examine each pattern. Pay attention to how different patterns may complement the elements of your design. This step is not only about aesthetics, but also about ensuring the functionality of your drawings. For instance, some patterns are better suited for specific materials or design elements. Choosing the right one can effectively convey the intended message and visual clarity. Once you've settled on the perfect new pattern, simply click on it to make your selection. This action will immediately apply the chosen pattern to the hatch you've selected initially. If, for some reason, you feel uncertain about your choice, don't fret. AutoCAD allows you to navigate back and forth between patterns effortlessly. Experimenting with different patterns can often lead you to unexpected and innovative design solutions. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've mastered how to change a hatch pattern in AutoCAD, unlocking a wealth of creative potential for your projects. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you engage with these tools, the more intuitive the process will become. I hope you found this guide to be clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with AutoCAD.